Go.
I am going. So Taylor and Parker, what did we do today?
We made a gingerbread house, a gingerbread tea, and gingerbread people. Taylor, you said on the whole thing. Sorry. You can say the gingerbread path. And we made the gingerbread house, and we made the... You already said that. I meant... And we had
Wow.
we made a gingerbread path. And don't say the rest. I've already said that.
And tell me a little bit about how you decorated the house.
We put a little bit of hearts and frosting, and we put a little bit of moon when it was fall. And then on the path we made coconut stuff on it, and like it was snowing. And then we put a little icing and stuff on the tree to make it look like it's snowing on the tree.
Taylor, what about you? Okay, eat your gingerbread men. Are they delicious?
Yes.
Did you have fun doing gingerbread house? That'll look really nice in our entry.
I'm making the frosting.
Great job, guys.